Suppose line 1 and line 2 are both perpendicular to line 3 and they both intersect in line 3 or at line 3 at point P. What can you conclude about line 1 and line 2? So we have here line 3 and it says that line 1 and line 2 are both perpendicular to line 3, but they intersect at line 3 at a point. At the same point. So from the properties of a line, first property that says the property of the line that given a line and a point, there is only one line passing through that point that is parallel to the line. Since they both intersect in line 3 at point P, so we can say that line 1 equal to line 2, or these two lines are the same. From property number 1 of a perpendicular lines. So this one here is line 1 and line 2. This is the point P. They pass on the same point. So they are the same lines from properties of first property of perpendicular lines. Thank you.